Well, we're here at the Nordic Tech Tour to see the Scandinavian startup scene, or not startup scene, but a little bit later than startup, and watching all the great Scandinavian companies present, which has been a great pleasure. We've also had some of our own portfolio companies present here in order to meet some other investors in Scandinavia that we can syndicate with in terms of our companies. I think the pitches has been really good, and there's a lot of startup activity around with companies that are really early, but this is sort of focused a little bit later stage companies, which is really interesting to see. And I think it's the only place where you can see at least the best of the Scandinavians at a certain level of development in the companies. Yeah, I think actually that Scandinavia has proven to be a really interesting area for outside or at least UK or the rest of Europe investors to look for the Danish scene. And I think some of the really interesting companies, not only the ones that everybody knows like Supercell, Spotify, but also the next level of companies has been really interesting to watch. And I think that it's important that we continue to build or to present companies like in this kind of forum so that other investors can see what we're looking at. But in terms of investment trends, I think that obviously out of the Danish model, we see companies like Trustpilot with a SaaS model, with a B2B, B2C proposition is really interesting. But I also look forward to see some of the, not hardware, but the wearables things that we're going to be looking at in the future. And I think that Scandinavia has a fantastic position to be a player in that field as well.